assure safe passage over the seven seas to all sailors that followed their doctrine and respected their protocols. Neptune and Poseidon are said to maintain a ledger of the deep that records the name of every seagoing vessel by name. Voters that fail to undergo a proper boat name christening ceremony will be faced with the wrath of Neptune and Poseidon. A series of mysterious misfortunes would result from disrespecting gods. The christening is an able tradition in many cultures dating back thousands of years, and has been observed as a public celebration and a solemn blessing. The christening of ships become great public events with large crowds assembled to witness the ceremony. It became the standard for champagne as the most elite of wines to be used for the christening. Maritime superstition held that a ship that wasn't properly christened would be considered unlucky. A champagne bottle that did not break was particularly bad omen. Other bad omens. Friday is unlucky because Jesus was crucified on this day. In fact, if a new Coast Guard or Navy boat is finished on a Friday, they will always wait until Saturday to christen it. The first Monday in April is the day Cain slew Abel, and is also unlucky. The second Monday in August is the day the kingdoms of Sodom and Gomorrah were destroyed. It's unacceptable for Christians. Thursday is traditionally Thor's day, as he is the god of thunder and storms. The christening scheduled on the Thursday, as we have today, is said to please the thunder god. With fair weather on a Thursday, your vessel will have fair weather throughout her days. It appears Thor has given us a break today. A speech is traditionally given about the story of the name of each boat, and here to give that speech today is the Garrison Commander, COL James DeOre.
So I find myself completely and wholly incapable of giving a fitting tribute to these two men. I want to thank everyone who's come here in the show of solidarity for both Jim Bennett and Stan Edwards. I still see the solidarity shirts out in the crowd, and you couldn't ask for more. Let me say these few words. So today we gather to perform the ancient ritual of christening these vessels that will, with God's protecting hand, safely and with great fortune transport our friends and family members over the clear waters of the lagoon and the vast expanse of blue that is the Pacific Ocean. We do this in memory of our beloved friend Jim Bennett and Stan Edwards, two cherished members of our family who each in his own way looked over their friends and families and over the greater Kwajalein Atoll community. It is fitting that these two men are remembered in this fashion, the community coming together to confer blessings and goodwill upon these vessels, much as each of these gentlemen would to all the people they met every day while serving this great nation. Kilo 80 and Kilo 82, the Stan Love and the Jim Bennett. Wear these names and carry with you the spirit of these two great Americans wherever you may go and whoever you carry. May God give you the speed and skill to harvest the bounty of the ocean, the insight and clarity to support our MIA recovery efforts, and the safety and adventurous curiosity and underwater skills to support our divers and the other water activities. You're now entrusted with our greatest treasure, our friends and our family. Thank you.
All right, and she's off.
There you go, you're good. Where's the horn? There's one somewhere on this thing. So let's go around the harbor.
Cheers!
Look at all this fancy digital gauges and everything else.
It's a beautiful boat. Okay, I'm gonna come up front. Yay! You're on rolling.
We're on film, all right.
Yeah.
Hello, Paulette.
Hi, Paulette.
We're on the Stand Love.
Yes, to stand love.
We love you. All right. Let's take Stan Love for a ride. Yes.
They get a no wakes on half now.
Oh, yeah. All right, Captain Roberge, tell us about the boat. What do you think?
Welcome to Stand Love.
She's a
This is a very sweet boat. Sergeant Major will demonstrate the best feature of the boat.
That's awesome.
We're going to go by your house, Paulette. We're going to blow the horn by your bench.
There's Iman Beach. Okay, there's your spot. The bench. In your house. We sure miss you guys.